Raymond Baco,
I'm Robert Hoekstead.
and this is our Project 2 submission for gold points. So the game that we built, we named it Swarm. The name came out of some of the implementation. As we started making the game, the name was pretty obvious to us. We wrote a short story to give the game some background, and we'll let you take a look at that. And that's long enough. Then the controls are pretty simple. You know, W moves up, S down, A right, D left. We implemented a shoot function. So if you push P, you can shoot at the enemy bad guy bugs that instantiate. So let's just show you news. Also, the code is all pseudo randomly generated, meaning you give it a seed number and it creates the first level off that seed. It randomly creates a number of rooms, randomly places them, and randomly connects them. Your player is instantiated in the first room created, and the exit treasure is instantiated in the last room created.
So sometimes it works out because you're pretty close.
Because it's random. Yeah, pseudo-random.
And the game starts off with 4 bugs, so sometimes they're on the other side of the place. So anyway, if you get to the treasure, you go to the next level. And somehow we get the seed for the next level.
Oh yeah, the seed is it's just incremented from the last seed to create the next level. So that way that the levels are also pseudo randomly created. So the first level will always be the same from the same seed. The second level will always be the same from the same seed. And the third level will always be, and so on and so forth.
Right.
Now the bugs.
So our bugs, they kind of buzz around inside the rooms, randomly looking for an exit. They kind of act like they're blind, but they know when they're in a hallway. So once they get in a hallway, you'll see them race up and down.
Perfect example.
Right there. Yep. In the rooms, there's also hearts. If you look in the upper right hand corner, you have lives. You start off with 3, and if you pick up a heart along the way, it increments. That way, if you die, you'll have another chance. Maybe I should show that. Okay, where am I?
Yeah.
You go commit suicide. Seppuku.
Gotcha.
And then you start back in the beginning room.
Of the same level.
Of the same level, yep. If you want to, like, say you want to stop playing for a minute, you just do the quit command, and it quits your game. And when you come back to it, you just load it back up.
And do the load.
And you hit load last game, and you're right where you were left.
Right where you left off, the same scores, same lives.
Same bugs in the same rooms. Did we talk about when you kill them?
Oh yeah. So when the bugs are killed, the reason that the name of the game is Swarm is every time you kill one, 3 more are created.
I don't know if you've noticed that.
So you get a score for killing them, so you can rack up a good score, but at the same time, pretty quickly there's a lot of them, and they start to swarm around you.
Yeah, so the game has 24 levels that you have to beat, and each level you start off with a new bug. They add a bug to your count that you had in the last level. So I guess that's about it.
Yeah, let's just be clear about our creative implementation though. So for our creative implementation, the bugs multiply. Every time you kill one, 3 more are created. We have lives and hearts to make the game last longer.
You get points for killing bugs. The different kinds of bugs are worth different points. So the cockroach bugs are worth like 100 points, and the spider bugs are worth 150. And treasure chest is worth 500.
And then Also, that each level is created pseudo randomly, and it's not just one level. You can have to beat 24 levels to beat the game, which is pretty difficult.
Yeah, and I'm trying to think if there's anything else.
I think that's about it.
Yeah. Oh, if you do end up dying and you lose, you can. It automatically saves your last
life.
So you start where you were when you had
1 life left.
Yep. So that's just something I wanted to have because I always hate that about games when you forget to save right before you die. So I'm like, since I finally wrote a video game, I'm gonna have that feature in there. All right. Well, thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you for your time.